Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Minecraft account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and go to minecraft.net. As soon as you type this in, you will land on a web page like this. So here, in order to log into Minecraft, what you can do is, if you have a Mojang account, you can type in the email and password here, or if you had earlier signed up using Microsoft, tap on sign in with Microsoft. As soon as you tap on sign in with Microsoft, you will land on an interface like this where you'll have to either enter your email, phone number or Skype. So I'm just going to enter my phone number because that is what I used in order to sign up. And after tapping on next, you have to now enter your password. So here I'm just going to enter my password and then tap on sign in. Now once I'm done tapping on sign in, I will now land on an interface that will lead me towards my account. So here currently it says that my account is getting loaded, and now you can see I have landed on my profile.